As usual, after completing my schooling, I started graduation in mathematics discipline. In Bachelor of Science program, I opted 3 subjects: mathematics, physics, and chemistry. Well, this is called mathematics group. And there was also the possibility graduation in mathematics, general or honors. At my time and in my university only there, BSc general program was there. So I done BSc in mathematics. Thereafter, continuing post-graduation in mathematics, I obtained Master of Science degree in mathematics from the University of Bora. After that, there were many possibilities to think, many ways to move, and one kind of even confusion also there, what you have to do and what would be the best path. And at the end, I decided to initiate in PhD program, and I got registered in University of Delhi in mathematics. Keep working on my research, continuing my research. After long time, I obtained PhD degree in mathematics. My specialization was special function. Special function is one of the main area of the research of the Indian great genius Srinivasa Ramanujan. Thereafter, I keep working for advanced research as a research scientist under Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. And at that stage, I shift the research work into the number theory. At present, since 2011, my core research area of working is number theory, and at present, my works are being published, cited in various national and international well-known scientific journals. That is all about my academic journey. As I mentioned just, my area of research work is number theory. And in order to pursue research in number theory, one has to come up to the doctoral level program. Before that, he has to or she has to complete his master's degree and bachelor's degree in mathematics at least. What is happening in general after graduation or post-graduation, there are many prospects, job opportunity they are getting involved into. That is another part. But the main thing is, if anyone want to come to number theory, there should be 2 reasons. Number one, why one has to come, and after reaching here, what are the prospects? One has to come here because number theory is modern area which connects many science all together, like computer science, information science, even space research and physics, astrophysics. All area require the knowledge of mathematics. Now, if one has expertise in number theory, what he can do? He can pursue research in the hardcore mathematics. He can apply mathematics in the area of applied sciences, even in physics, and information science, security science, computer science, programming, like that one. Nowadays, major problems with us, the security, how to control the security, different kind of problems, different kind of thefting are being observed. So artificial intelligence is one of the great area of the research and of interest. So number theory would of the great help in order to overcome, to control the existing problems at present. Thereafter, if one can help himself, want to help the science, there are several unsolved problems are being allocated and even announced for the higher price also. One has to solve problems and being recognized and awarded by that awards are the honored by the respective organization and society which are being declared before. For example, Clay Mathematics Institute in the United States has announced 7 millennium problems, and they are out of 7. One is from the number theory specialization that is known as ABC problem. This is worth for $1 billion US. If anyone has to solve this by the knowledge and expertise of number theory, one has to get that one also. So these are the scopes of the number theory. One has to develop himself, recognize himself, and help the people working in other disciplines. People facing problems in other disciplines, the number theorist can help him by his knowledge and expertise. That is interest, glory, and benefits of my area of the current research work. That's all.